Right, it's the 4th of July. Not sure how much of this y'all can see. It's relatively dark outside. Wait. I swear to God, that's not gunfire. That is fireworks. Dang it, I keep missing it. You can smell the smoke. I can't tell. I don't.
Okay.
Well, you can't smell the smoke, obviously, but we can. Seriously, this could not have happened in Beaumont. Like, dang it, I keep missing the fireworks for y'all.
Okay, just point in that direction and hold still.
There it is. We are not being invaded by aliens. It's just the 4th of July in Katy.
Just hold still. You're swinging your camera back and forth. You're not gonna be able to catch anything because you're gonna miss.
Whoa! See, you heard it. You heard it.
Listen for where the noise is and follow the noise.
I can't follow the noise that quickly. My arms only move so fast. And the light moves faster than the sound. Right? Right. Shiny.
If you just stay in one place.
I don't want to stay in one place.
Like all you can do is turn around like this and make yourself dizzy.
I'm not dizzy just yet. Soon, but not yet.
Oh, this one's gonna be cool.